Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lint screen housing in an LG dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lint screen housing. The lint screen housing is located on the inside at the bottom of the door opening. It houses the lint filter, keeping it in place and preventing clothes from getting inside the exhaust duct and getting torn because of sharp edges. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, check and replace the lint screen housing. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the lint filter, we need to put the fingers here at the back. There's a groove and pull it straight up. Next, we need to remove 4 Phillips screws. I'm going to start with this one, right in there. And there's a couple of more screws here in the middle. Now I'm going to remove the lint screen housing. Pull it out. And we can slide this out. This is our sensors. Push it down, and I'm gonna put it away. Let's place this housing assembly on a workable surface on a table. And now I'm going to take out this 2 screws. I'm gonna push him out. All right, let's put him aside. Next thing is to push these 2 tabs in. And we're going to remove the guide from the housing. This is the old lint screen housing next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We've got here a new lint screen housing, and we're going to install the guide on. This should lock on both sides. And now we're going to install it into the dryer. So we got here the new housing assembled, and I'm going to place that sensor bracket on, slide it into the cutouts, and then I'm going to install the housing. Press it down, and now we're going to secure this with the 4 Phillips screws. Alright, now we're going to install the lint filter. It goes in this way. If you can see this writing, and then it goes in correct way. Press it in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.